Here's a little video on how to reorder your playlists. The first thing you need to do is go to your channel. So go up to your avatar menu and click on your channel. Then find the playlist in the left-hand menu that you want to reorder. And when you get to that playlist, click on the edit button that's right next to your name. You may have thought that this was to edit your personal information, but this will actually edit your playlist. Now that you're to your playlist, you can find your out of order items, like my items 1 and 2 down here are out of order. And to the left of the number, you can click and drag to move them up in the playlist. It'll scroll very slowly at the top. So this is the somewhat better with edits. We move another one. Again, scrolling at the top is pretty slow and you have to kind of nail it just right. You may have to find that you have to make it in more than one move. And here's my last one. So there you go. I have a reordered playlist. No need to save as it auto saves.